At Diaspora Digital Media, we don't just write codes, we solve real problems and ship products that matter. Today, I'm excited to introduce our 4-week intensive skill-up program designed to transform developers from code writers to product builders. This program isn't about theory. It's about battle-tested skills that mirror how our engineering teams operate. Let's break down how we'll turn junior talent into full-stack warriors, ready to deploy production-grade systems. Week 1, modern back-end engineering. We are simulating our agile process, daily stand-ups, PR reviews, and the final demo day. Judges, including our lead engineers, will greet them on architecture, UX, and deployment rigor. Developers will build REST APIs with Django or Nexus, implement JWT auth workflows, and design relational DB schemas. But here's the kicker. They will deploy a scalable blog API by Friday with authentication, CRUD ops, and async tasks using Celery. Why? Because shipping a working API on day 7 forces them to internalize modern design and security-first thinking. Non-negotiables in our code base. Here is where many programs fail. Now, we pivot to user experience. React plus Tailwind isn't just a stack, it is a philosophy. We'll teach them to build UIs that feel as good as they function. They will wire front ends to their week 1 APIs, manage global state, and master reusable components. By week's end, a blog dashboard with real-time post-editing, login flows, and pixel-perfect responsive design. This is where juniors learn a critical lesson. Your API is useless if the front-end UX is trash. Week 3, DevOps and deployment. Not ours. Week 3 is a CI/CD bootcamp. We are drilling Docker, GitHub Actions, and environment variables. They will containerize their apps, set up automated pipelines, and deploy to Render or Vercel. But the real win, teaching them to think like SREs, monitoring logs, debugging, live deployment, and managing secrets. By Friday, their app isn't just built, it is publicly accessible and ready for user testing. That's how we measure success. Week 4, capstone project. Week 1 is where we separate coders from engineers. We are attacking the backbone of every product: APIs, authentication, and databases. Week 2, front-end and user experience engineering. This is where magic happens. Teams of 3 to 4 will build and ship a real product in 5 days. Trello clones, CRMs, whatever solves a problem they care about. We are simulating our agile process, daily stand-ups, PR reviews, and a final demo day. Judges, including our lead engineers, will grill them on architecture, UX, and deployment rigor. The best part, winning projects go straight into their portfolios. Imagine hiring a junior who is already shipped a full stack app end-to-end. Bonus and outcomes. For the overachievers, night sessions on WebSockets, TypeScript, and system design, tools, Postman, Docker, GitHub, the exact stack our teams use daily. Graduates walk away with a deployed full stack project in their portfolio. A Diaspora Digital Media Academy certification. Trust me, recruiters ask about these. GitHub repos proving they can collaborate via PRs and CI/CD. This isn't a coding camp, it's a talent forge. We are building developers who ship not just scripts. Let's be real. The gap between I know Python and I shipped a product is where careers are made. This program is how Diaspora Digital Media Academy leads the market by investing in talent that thrives in the wild, not just in tutorial.